Hey guys, Kylie Matthews here, and today I got some bad news. I'm not angry at any of you guys for doing this, but I have something to tell you. I'm serious. I'm not joking. I'm talking about my least favorite season, winter. So on Friday, there's gonna be a blizzard, and my mom says if my mom says if there's a blizzard on Friday, then she's not gonna go to work. So yeah, there is actually gonna be a winter storm on Friday, or blizzard, whatever way you want to call it. Also, we're under a winter storm watch in effect. We're under a winter storm watch right now. I received it when I was at Unity today. And, like I said, I will not be doing videos of blizzards, snowstorms, or any winter weather like that because it's my least favorite season. If you like winter storms or blizzards and don't like severe thunderstorms, then I respect your opinion. Also, if you like severe thunderstorms instead of blizzards and winter storms, then I respect your opinion. If winter is your favorite season and summer and spring are your least favorite seasons, then your opinion is respected. As long as you respect mine. I just wish that winter would exist on a different planet and not Earth. If it existed on Earth, then I wish it would only exist in the two places in Antarctica and the North Pole. Anyways, this is Kylie Matthews signing out. I'll be doing videos of severe thunderstorms in the spring and summer once the winter storm and blizzards and winter weather is over. And I'll be doing July 4th of the Independence Day parade whenever I'm on summer break. I only wanted to show you this video because I was just trying to warn you guys that whoever lives in Laporte, Indiana, will get a winter storm on Friday. Hope I get to record videos in the spring and summer of severe thunderstorms when they come. See you in my next video. Bye.